Are you looking to make money online but don't know where to start? It's a conundrum many face in today's digitally driven world. But fear not, for the solutions are simpler than you might think. The internet is a vast landscape of opportunity, filled with various techniques that can help you start earning an income from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere in the world for that matter. It's not just about the money, it's about the freedom to live life on your own terms, to follow your passion, and to create your own path. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard or have heaps of startup cash. With our guidance, you can start earning up to $150 a day. The key is to find what works best for you, and we're here to help you do just that. Stay with us as we dive into the 7 fastest online money-making techniques for beginners. The first technique we are going to tackle is freelancing online. Picture this: you're a skilled individual, ready to share your expertise with the world, and you're looking for a flexible way to earn. That's where online freelancing steps in. It's a platform where you can offer your services, such as writing, graphic designing, programming, translating, or even consulting, to clients globally. So how do you start? It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, identify your marketable skills. Second, build a portfolio showcasing your work. And third, sign up on freelancing sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Now let's talk numbers. Earnings in freelancing are as diverse as the skills offered. You could earn from $20 to $100 an hour, depending on your area of expertise and experience. It's not uncommon for seasoned freelancers to rake in over $150 a day. Remember, the key to successful freelancing is consistency, quality, and client satisfaction. So polish those skills and start bidding on projects. Now that you know how to start freelancing, let's move on to our next technique. Moving on to our second technique, taking online surveys. This is an easy and popular method of earning a few extra dollars. You see, companies are always in search of consumer opinions and are willing to pay for them. That's where you come in. To get started, simply sign up with legitimate survey sites. Be mindful though, not every site is genuine, so it's crucial to do your research beforehand. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or LifePoints are some of the reliable ones out there. Once you're signed up, you can begin taking surveys. These can range from products, services, or even your shopping habits. Each survey takes about 5 to 20 minutes to complete, and the pay can vary. Now, let's talk potential earnings. While you won't become a millionaire overnight, you can certainly make a tidy sum. Depending on the length and complexity of the survey, you could earn anywhere between 50 cents to $5 per survey. If you're committed and consistent, this could easily translate into a steady stream of income. In conclusion, taking online surveys is a simple, flexible, and straightforward way to supplement your income. All you need is a bit of time, a pinch of patience, and a dash of diligence. With that knowledge in hand, let's proceed to our next technique. Our third technique for earning money online is affiliate marketing. This is a method where you promote products or services for a company and get a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the need for a storefront or inventory. Starting with affiliate marketing is quite straightforward. You first need to choose a product or service that you are passionate about, and that you believe your followers or audience will be interested in. Then you sign up for an affiliate program, which can be found on the company's website or through affiliate networks. Once you've signed up, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. The trick is to integrate this link subtly into your content. It could be a blog post, a social media update, or even a YouTube video. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, that's when you earn your commission. The potential earnings from affiliate marketing can vary greatly. It depends on the commission rate, the price of the product or service you're promoting, and the number of people you can reach. However, with the right approach and dedication, it can become a significant source of income. Ready for more? Let's move on to the next technique. Our fourth technique involves the use of AI tools. Now you may be wondering, what does AI have to do with making money online? Well, a lot actually. AI, or artificial intelligence, is reshaping the world as we know it, and this includes the realm of online earning. There are a plethora of AI tools available that can help you generate income. For instance, AI can be used for things like content creation, data analysis, and even customer service. These tools can automate tasks, help you work more efficiently, and ultimately increase your earnings. So, how do you start using these tools? First, you'll need to identify what tasks you want to automate or enhance. Next, do a bit of research to find the right AI tool for your needs. There are countless tools available, so you're sure to find one that fits your requirements. As for potential earnings, the sky's the limit. The more effectively you can utilize AI, the more you stand to earn. It might take a bit of time to learn how to use these tools effectively, but trust us, it's worth the investment. With that, let's explore our next technique. Our fifth technique involves starting a side hustle. Now, what exactly is a side hustle? It's essentially a venture that you take on, in addition to your full-time job. It's a way of earning some extra cash on the side, and who doesn't love a little extra cash? Starting a side hustle is like embarking on a mini business journey. You identify a skill or a passion that you possess, and you monetize it. This could range from something as simple as dog walking or house sitting, to something a bit more complex like graphic designing or content creation. The beauty of a side hustle is that it can be anything you want it to be, and the best part, you're the boss. Now, starting a side hustle may sound exciting, but it requires careful planning. You need to manage your time effectively to ensure that your side hustle doesn't interfere with your full-time job. Additionally, you have to be realistic about your earning potential. Not every side hustle will make you a millionaire, but it can certainly provide a nice boost to your income. So how do you start? First, identify your skill or passion. Then, research the market to understand the demand for your service or product. Once you have that sorted out, create a plan. How many hours a week can you dedicate to your side hustle? How will you market your service or product? These are important questions to consider. As for potential earnings, it varies greatly depending on the type of side hustle. But the key thing to remember is consistency. The more time and effort you put into your side hustle, the more it will grow, and the more money you can potentially make. Remember, a side hustle is not just about making money. It's about pursuing a passion, honing a skill, and learning the ropes of running a business. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and challenging yourself. Now let's move on to the next technique. Our sixth technique involves making money from survey sites. Survey sites are platforms that pay you to answer questions about various topics. Companies use these surveys to gather consumer insights, and they're willing to pay for your time and opinions. Starting with survey sites is quite straightforward. All you need is a device with internet access, be it a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Once you've got that, the next step is to sign up on a survey site. Some popular and reliable ones include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindel Research. It's important to do your research and ensure the site you choose is legitimate. After signing up, you'll be asked to fill out your profile. Make sure to answer accurately, as this information is used to match you with suitable surveys. Once matched, you can start taking surveys and earning money. Now, the potential earnings from survey sites can vary greatly. Some surveys might pay a few cents, while others can pay up to $5 or more. It all depends on the length and complexity of the survey. The key is consistency. If you dedicate a set amount of time each day to taking surveys, the earnings can add up. With that, let's move on to our final technique. Our final technique involves making money through affiliate marketing. This method is all about earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. To start, you'll need to choose your niche. This should be something you're passionate about and is in demand. Next, you'll need to find products that fit within your niche and sign up for their affiliate program. This usually involves filling out a form and getting approved by the company. Once approved, you'll be given a unique affiliate link. This is the link you'll share on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. When someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. There are thousands of companies looking for affiliates, from big names like Amazon to smaller niche companies. Potential earnings can vary greatly, but with the right approach, it's possible to make a substantial income from affiliate marketing. Now you know the 7 fastest online money-making techniques for beginners. That's it! You now have the knowledge to start making money online. We've covered a lot of ground today, from freelancing to affiliate marketing, from using AI tools to taking advantage of survey sites. Each technique offers its unique opportunities and benefits, and with a little dedication and perseverance, you can start earning up to $150 a day. Imagine the freedom and flexibility that comes with being able to generate income from the comfort of your home or anywhere you choose. It's not just about the money, but about the lifestyle and independence that it can provide. But remember, knowledge is just the first step. Action is the key that unlocks the door to success. So don't just sit there. Start your online money-making journey today. Explore these techniques, find the ones that suit you best, and start shaping your financial future. And while you're at it, why not share this knowledge with others? Pass on the tips and tricks you've learned today. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips. Start your journey today and see the difference it can make.